Are you facing morning chaos? Missing keys? Shoes scattered? Bills lost? Imagine a home that flows, everything in place, peace instead of panic. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Today, we will turn chaos into calm. We will use the 5S method. Five simple steps, but one big change. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss our power pack videos. So let's explore the 5 easy and simple steps to transform your entire home. Step number 1, the cluttered entryway. At the entry, a pile of shoes or bags. Challenge yourself. Keep only daily essentials. Discard the rest. Step number 2, the jumbled kitchen. The kitchen shows crowded counters, so need to assign zones. Zone A for preparation and zone B for cooking. Use trays, hooks, and racks properly to give every item a designated place. Now, step number 3, the dusty living room. Wipe tables and slabs properly, vacuum rugs and corners. While cleaning, spot cracks, fix problems immediately. Step number 4, the unpredictable bathroom. Create a checklist to stack onto the mirror. Daily wipe, weekly scrub, and monthly deep clean. Print the list and follow it like a recipe. Step number 5, the unruly closet. Create a 5-minute end of the day ritual. Return items to their spots. Set a weekly reminder. In conclusion, 5 A's is more than steps. It is a new way of living. From entryway to closet, from morning to night, your home stays tidy, your mind stays clear. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Share your comments below on this topic. Let us learn and grow together. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.